Let's face it, typing subscripts in Google Docs is like trying to teach a goldfish to play chess. Frustrating, confusing, and ultimately, you're not even sure why you're doing it. But fear not, my friend. I'm here to turn you into a subscript wizard faster than you can say H2O without accidentally summoning a chemistry demon. So grab your coffee, put on your lab coat, and let's turn that sad little H2O into a scientific masterpiece that even Marie Curie would high-five you for. First, type out whatever you're working on. Let's say it's H2O. That poor little 2 is just sitting there, minding its own business, completely unaware that it's about to get a glow-up. Highlight that 2 like you're selecting the perfect avocado at the grocery store. This is its moment to shine. Now, look up at the top of your screen. See that format menu? That's not just a menu, it's the Hogwarts of text editing. Click on it like you're casting a spell. Bonus points if you whisper Wingardium Leviosa while doing it. Hover over text in the drop-down menu. A secondary menu will pop up like a surprise party you didn't ask for but are secretly thrilled about. Look for the option that says Subscript. Click it. Do it. Don't overthink it. This is the moment your 2 has been waiting for its entire numerical life. And just like that, your 2 has gone from basic to brilliant. H2O now looks like it belongs in a science textbook instead of a middle schooler's text message. You've basically just performed alchemy. Gold star for you. But wait, there's more. If you ever need to undo this masterpiece, why would you? Just highlight the subscript, go back to the format menu, and click Subscript again. It's like a magic trick, but without the awkward moment when the rabbit refuses to come out of the hat and just glares at you like you ruined its day.